Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to change the film grain amount in Gamble with your friends. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. From here, make sure you are in the graphics tab, then scroll down and look to the visual settings and film grain. Here you can change the amount of film grain in the game. You can increase it or decrease it. 0.0 will completely turn it off. Of course, set it to whichever value you prefer. I'll actually set it to the default of 0.5. Once that's done, simply close the menu, and that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe, comment and like the video.